We got your Lord, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn about rain. Rain is called Deng in Dinka language. So, let us begin. 1. Rain. Deng. Deng. Deng is also a name of a person, a name of a male Dinka man. Raining. Raining mean twang. Deng a twang mean the rain is raining. Rainwater. Rainwater mean pew ideng. Pew ideng. Pew ideng. Pew mean water. Ideng mean rainwater. The rain is raining mean deng etweng. Deng etweng or deng atweng. God give us rain. In Dinka, Nyalish eok moj deng. Nyalish eok moj ideng. Nyalish eok moj ideng. God give us rain. Grass grow when it rain. In Dinka, non echil the twin ding. Non echil the twin ding. Non mean grass. Echil mean to grow. The twin ding when it rain. Rap ayepur the twin ding. Rap ayepur the trending mean we grow crops when it rain. Rap alwak ipiu ding. Rap alwak ipiu ding mean team acheban riau the trending. Team acheban riau the trending. Riau mean dry. That mean trees will not dry up when it rain. Piu ideng ayedek aya. Piu ideng ayedek aya. We also drink rainwater. Piu ideng aok liergup. Piu ideng aok liergup. Piu ideng ayeok lak. Piu ideng ayeok lak. Piu ideng ayeok kulai dek. Piu ideng ayeok kulai dek. Ok mean cows or cattle. Kulai dek. Lai mean animals. Piu deng apin nom bor aya. Piu ideng apin nom bor aya. Piu deng apat apaidit. Piu deng apat apaidit. Yenakan by William Majangdit Dupiot Tongyang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. Also like our video. That way you are helping YouTube to recommend our videos to other people so that they can also learn Dinka language. Okay? Bye bye. Ian William Majak.